My name is Rutendo Machiridza, and I'm a musician, a singer, songwriter, and a player of the mbira instrument, which comes from Zimbabwe. I make traditional rhythms and contemporary R&B music, so it's a blend of pop, rock, and traditional mbira Zimbabwean music. Well, I believe my rhythms are very different from what other people play. I really do make an effort to make it outstanding. I have several rhythmic lines per song, different variations, and I tend to play faster than a lot of other musicians that I've heard around the country. For me, music has always been a passion. I started singing when I was young, and I've never been drawn to music as much as I'm drawn to anything else. Nothing compares to the love that I have for music, and I decided that this is what I would do because this is who I am. I figured that music was for me. Eat, live, and breathe it. My actual intentions were to play the piano, which was my first instrument when I was 10. But the mbira sort of happened when I was 13, and it was so easy to play, and I immediately fell in love with it, and we just became lovers, I guess. And ever since then, I've been playing it. It's portable. Those are some of the other reasons why I love it so much, and I think now both of us have got some sex appeal. We make a good team. For most of my music, I write it from a social commentary point of view, and that's mostly influenced by the things that I see and experience around me. I believe as artists and creators, it's our role to still be the sane voice in the middle of insanity.